tunataka tuonyeshe mfano kwa taifa letu la Kenya.
Ni mĩario ya Muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Anglican gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Jackson Ole Sapit arĩ kĩamũrano-inĩ kĩa Muthikabu Alphonce Mwaro ũrĩa ũgwĩkagĩrwo mathaga ma ũtongoria wa kanitha ũcio mwena wa Mombasa.
Hakuna atakayezuia, kwani yeye ndiye Mungu mwenye baraka zote.
Sapit arenda mĩahu yerĩ ya kĩũteti Jubilee na NASA kuororwa ngoro na gwĩtĩkĩra kunanira njungw'a nĩguo gwetha kihonia kĩa ngahiha iria ikoretwo ikĩgũmĩra bururi.
Tukubali uamuzi huo ya kwamba sasa uchaguzi tumemaliza, lakini tuendelee kutafuta uwiano na uridhiano na kutafuta mazungumzo ya Wakenya kusema ni nini huwa tunasosania kila wakati wa uchaguzi. Mazungumzo ni lazima, watu wa Kenya waketi chini tuulizane swali hilo. Ni nini huwa inafanya tupigane kila baada ya miaka 5 wakati wa uchaguzi?
Arenda ngayũkano cia kĩũteti iria ikoretwo igĩcangĩrwo nĩ ateti gũkinywo mũthia, akiuga kamĩtĩ ya ithurano mĩhaka nĩ yagĩrĩirwo nĩ kũrorwo kerĩ.
Lazima tuangazie processes yetu na reforms zetu, hasa zile za electoral, ili kazi yote ifanyike na haki ya kila moja ipatikane, kwa sababu panapo haki, panapo ukweli, ndiyo mambo itadumu vizuri. Kenya hatuwezi kusahau ya kwamba tumegawanyika katikati. Ni lazima tutafute mbinu ya kuungana ili zote tuingie katika zinga moja inaitwa Kenya, tusalishe asali.
Mĩario ya Sapit ĩkĩnyitwo mbaru nĩ mũmbunge wa Kilifi ya rũgongo Owen Baya na mũrunawe wa Likoni Mishiboko arĩa nao moririe kanitha kũnyita itemi rĩa gũcokanĩrĩria bururi.
And this country requires the prayers of all the bishops in this country, so that we can bring together this country and we start our journey again as a nation together, as a strong nation that has been chosen and created by God. So I would like to ask the bishop and the House of Bishops that they may continue to put this country into prayer. That the bad blood that trained during the general elections, now I've had a very interesting saying here that nyuki warudi kwa mzinga na watengeze asali. And I hope, and this is my prayer, that we will get there as soon.
We need your advice. We need your input in this governance of Kenya. Tunajua bila nyinyi hatuwezi kuendelea vizuri. We want you to unite our leaders. We are calling for dialogue, but we know you are the one who can push for this dialogue to happen in this country.
Mweneni wake Bishop Alphonce Mwaro niranĩire kũnyitithania kanitha wa mwena wa Mombasa thutha wa kũgũmĩrwo nĩ ngahiha cia nũ ũkũiyũkia ũtongoria waguo.
We must face the future with courage and hope. Our strategic focus on mission, sustainability, human resource governance, and Institute for Church Life calls for unity, prayer, and the willingness to bring on board every person and resource present within and beyond our diocese.
Riendekithia rĩa kũgĩa na mĩario rĩũkĩte rĩrĩ mwena wa mungethaniro wirũmĩte kĩni na kuga no makehĩtithia Raila Odinga mbere ya mũthia wa mweri ũyũ.